Looking for a keyboard that truly adapts to your body and work style? The Kinesis split mechanical keyboard offers an award-winning ergonomic design that fits all body types. With adjustable split, splay, and tent options, you can customize your setup for maximum comfort and reduce strain during long hours of typing. Tent accessories sold separately. What sets this keyboard apart is its genuine Cherry MX silent red mechanical switches. These switches provide a smooth, linear feel with low activation force, delivering a premium typing experience that's quieter than most mechanical keyboards. Rated for 50 million key presses, they promise durability you can count on day after day. Beyond comfort and durability, this keyboard offers full onboard programmability through the driverless SmartSet Engine. You get 9 custom layouts, 8 office hotkeys, on-the-fly macro recording, and 1 touch key remapping. Plus, it comes with pre-configured Mac and Dvorak layouts, all saved to the keyboard's 4 MB flash memory. The SmartSet app for Windows and Mac makes customization easy and intuitive. Compatibility won't hold you back either. This keyboard is plug-and-play with all major operating systems, including Windows 7 through 10, Mac OS X, Linux, and Chrome. Whether you switch between devices or platforms, it's ready to go without extra hassle. Users consistently praise this keyboard for its comfort and versatility. One top reviewer shared how switching to the Kinesis with ergonomic pads and tilts eliminated their wrist pain completely, a problem they struggled with on regular keyboards. For those who juggle Mac and Windows, the Pro version's configurable setups make switching seamless. With a 2-year manufacturer's warranty and a commitment to quality engineering in the USA since 1992, Kinesis stands firmly behind every keyboard they produce. That peace of mind makes this an easy choice for anyone serious about their typing health and productivity. If you're tired of keyboards that don't fit your hands or cause discomfort, the Kinesis split mechanical keyboard is worth a look. It offers what you need: ergonomic flexibility, premium switches, and powerful customization, all built to last. Ready to upgrade your typing experience? Try the Kinesis keyboard when you're ready and feel the difference that thoughtful design and genuine mechanical switches can make in your daily workflow.